about the culture of Punjab and our participation in the Ismailia Festival, International Folklore Festival. Punjab has been on the forefront of like it's a border state, and we have been on the forefront of protecting the India, what India is. And of course, Punjab is one of the regions of the many diverse traditions of India, and we are just one part of it, but a very vibrant one, yeah, very colorful one, and very energetic ones.
إنه عرض لا يقدم مجرد رقصات، بل يقدم قصة شعب وتاريخ أرض وثقافة لا تزال تنبض بالحياة حتى اليوم.
We have been visiting Ismailia Festival for many years. I don't even remember the number of times we visited.
So this is not the first year?
No, this is not the first. And Cairo, every time we visit, also go to the pyramids, and I think that's it. The most famous places for us are the Ismailia, and I love Ismailia.
You love Ismailia?
Yes,
Okay.
I love Ismailia. That's why we keep coming. They're very similar, actually. Their values and the way people love and the hospitality. That's the main thing common between the two nations. We're just like you, and especially Punjabis.
ولأن الفنون قادرة على مد الجسور بين الشعوب، يجتمع اليوم المركز الثقافي الهندي مولانا آزاد وسفارة الهند بالقاهرة ووزارة الثقافة المصرية ليمنحون هذه اللحظة الاستثنائية من التواصل بين الهند ومصر، بين حضارتين جمعتهما المحبة والفن. نرحب بكم جميعا ونترككم الآن مع عرض الرقص الشعبي البنجابي مع فرقة رانجلا، حيث الفرح لغة يفهمها الجميع.
About the most happening place, I think, is the Ismailia. We love that. And about Cairo, we spend one night in Cairo every time we come to, and we visit Egypt. And I would like to point out that it's not only the Punjabi culture that we showcase at Ismailia. We mostly come with the different regions, traditions every time. Like last year, it was Rajasthani dances. Like you must have watched that Ghumar in Bollywood movies, and with colorful skirts, and it was Rajasthani dances, and before that it was Gujarati, another very vibrant state and region of India. And I think it's enough proof. We keep coming every year. It proves.
So we can say that Egypt is a home away from home?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
it is. And we all through the year we look forward to coming to Ismailia Festival or visit Egypt. Sometimes we come twice a day, like we had Aswan Festival in February this year, and before that, of course, in last October, Ismailia. And we look forward to, we don't want to miss any chance to come to Egypt whenever it is.